4 things you need to know about enterprise 5G. 5G is key to industrial transformation, but 5G providers must boost levels of ambition and confidence among their enterprise customers. Despite healthy levels of current and future spending on a range of emerging technologies and interest in use cases that can deliver resilience during the pandemic, the world of industrial 5G faces some significant challenges. The degree to which enterprises are convinced about the 5G opportunity is in question. As the latest EY Re-Imaging Industry Future Study reveals, only 24% of respondents are truly confident that their organization can successfully implement 5G. It is therefore more important than ever that 5G providers step up to help enterprises address their critical pain points, solidify ecosystem partnerships, drive positive financial outcomes, and implement 5G and related technologies with confidence. To do this, it is vital to understand what enterprises really think about 5G, so that service providers can truly position themselves as trusted business partners. The latest EY Re-Imaging Industry Future Study reveals 4 invaluable insights that all vendors should consider. Number 1. Spending intentions are strong, but 5G adoption is not guaranteed. The outlook is bright for enterprises' adoption of emerging technologies over the next 3 years. Our research finds that current and planned investments are rising in 5 out of 8 emerging technology categories, with only automation and blockchain showing year-on-year decline. Future spending intentions are highest in 5G, with its role in responding to environmental, societal, and governance risks top of mind. Organizations are more interested than before in 5G use cases that can help them meet sustainability goals and improve supply chain management. Yet, long-term adoption of 5G is not guaranteed, and vendors should not be complacent. The number of Asian companies planning to invest in 5G is down nearly 10% from last year. Technology providers should recognize that even as 5G becomes more mainstream, some organizations may become less receptive to it. Number 2. Enterprises are receptive to new ways of purchasing and deploying 5G. Enterprises are receptive to 5G solutions that are delivered through disruptive business models. The study revealed that 77% of businesses are interested in using private networks to support the implementation of 5G and IoT use cases. In addition, 50% of respondents rate the purchase of private network capabilities as an important 5G investment strategy for their business, citing a range of benefits led by greater network control and improved network reliability. At the same time, 71% of businesses would consider purchasing 5G through an intermediary, such as a mobile virtual network operator, and 64% say that directly acquiring 5G spectrum could be important for them. Taken together, these disruptive customer signals suggest that telcos' traditional relationships with enterprise customers are under pressure, and that more agile go-to-market strategies are essential in the world of 5G-powered IoT. Number 3. 5G's relationship to other technologies is in focus, but cyber risks receive less attention. Businesses cite poor understanding of 5G's relationship to other emerging technologies as their number 1 internal challenge, up from 5th last year. Looking ahead, exploring 5G's relationship to other technologies is also their top priority. This underlines their desire to exploit a mutually beneficial combination of frontier technologies and implies that organizations would benefit from ongoing education around the basics of emerging technologies. Interestingly, only 22% of organizations view mitigating cyber threats as a priority within their IoT agenda, ranking lowest, and mitigating cyber risks ranks only 6th as a 5G priority. Given the range of potential attack surfaces present in Industry 4.0, enterprises should ensure that security by design principles underpin their 5G and IoT deployments, as this could become a dangerous blind spot if this trend continues. Number 4. Enterprises' ecosystem strategies are becoming more ambitious. Ecosystem collaboration stands out as an essential route towards new skills and knowledge among enterprises as they look to take advantage of new technologies. 69% already collaborate with other organizations within business ecosystems, and even more, 75% believe ecosystem strategies will be central to their 5-year growth outlook. Crucially, the drivers of ecosystem strategies are becoming more ambitious, with a growing emphasis on rationales such as developing cross-sector partnerships and shortening time to revenue for new products and services.